हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान 712 से 1947 के पार्ट नंबर 9 की वीडियो के साथ मैं वेलकम करता हूं आपको इंटेंसिव स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल में। इसमें जो क्वेश्चन है वो पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, एनटीएस, पीएमएस और सीएसएस के पास पेपर से लिए गए हैं और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आने वाले पेपर्स के लिए। और इस वीडियो को स्किप ना कीजिएगा, एक एक क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक कर लें। क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। द इंटर्म गवर्नमेंट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 1946। हु वाज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर? ऑप्शन है लियाकत अली खान, एफएम लॉर्ड वेवल, पंडित नेहरू, नन। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है नन। इसका असल सही जवाब है जवाहरलाल नेहरू। Why Sayyid Amir Ali resigned from the Muslim League in 1913? Option है the party had no clear-cut policy. It started supporting the Hindu cause. It criticized the government. The Muslim League did not do sufficient work for its members. Correct answer है the party had no clear-cut policy. Next question. Who negotiated with Cabinet Mission 1946 on behalf of All India National Congress? A.K. Azad, Nehru, Gandhi, none. Correct answer है A.K. Azad, Abdul Kalam Azad. The elections should be held on the basis of general adult franchise. This demand was made in Minto Morley Reform 1909, Act of 1935, Lucknow Pact, none. Correct answer है Lucknow Pact. The future form of government would be federal to be joined by provinces and Indian states. This principle was settled in Simon Report, Nehru Report, First Round Table Conference, none. Correct answer है First Round Table Conference. Who initiated the cult of Shivaji against the Muslim of India? Banerjee, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gandhi, none. Correct answer है Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who rejected the verdicts of jurists that idol worshippers are labeled to be murdered? Option है महमूद गजनवी, शमसुद्दीन अल्तमश, अकबर, नन. करेक्ट आंसर है शमसुद्दीन अल्तमश. In 1917, Khiri brothers suggested a plan of partition of India in conference of the Socialist International held in England, Netherlands, Sweden, none. Correct answer है Sweden. Anjuman-e Islamia Punjab was founded for the renaissance of Islam in the year. Option है 1851, 1859, 1852, 1856. Correct answer है 1859. At the annual session of Anjuman-e Hamayat-e-Islam in 1911, Iqbal's poem was recited poetically called Jawab-e Shikwa, Shamo-Sheher, none. Correct answer है Shikwa. The first issue of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad's Al-Hilal came out on 13 July 1914, 1912, 1930, 1915. Correct answer है 1912. In 1867, some prominent Hindus of Banaras launched a movement for the replacement of Urdu written in Nasta League by Hindi written in Devanagari script as the court language. In which province was this movement started? Central provinces, Bengal province, Sindh, Punjab. Correct answer है Central provinces. Who floated the idea of establishment of Anjuman Hamayat-e-Islam? ख्वाजा हमीदुद्दीन, मुंशी चारंगुद्दीन, मौलाना शिबली नन। मुंशी चरागुद्दीन। Majlis-e Ahrar was formed in 1929, 1934, 1945, 1932. Correct answer है 1929. The last major extension of British Indian territory took place during the time of Dufferin, Lytton, Dalhousie, none. Correct answer है Dalhousie. Who was the governor of Sindh after Muhammad bin Qasim? Habib bin Muallab, Yazid bin Muallab, Yazid bin Muallab. Correct answer है Habib bin Muallab. The Kuka movement started in mid-19th century in Bengal, Western Punjab, Maharashtra, all. Correct answer है Western Punjab. Which of the following Sufi saints belong to Chishtiya order? Option है फरीदुद्दीन गंजबख्श शक्कर, शाह रुकने आलम, बहाउद्दीन ज़करिया, नन. Correct answer है फरीदुद्दीन गंज शक्कर. Nawab Abdul Latif founded the Muhammadan Literary Society in April 1863 at Faridpur, Calcutta, Dhaka, none. Correct answer है Calcutta. Act of 1935 contained how many parts? Option है 12, 13, 14, none. Correct answer है 14. Act of 35 contain how many schedules? 10, 20, 40, none. Correct answer 10. Act of 1935 consisted of how many sections? 321, 328, 333, 300. Correct answer है 321. The first emperor of Tughlaq dynasty, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Alauddin, Amir Gulzar Tughlaq, none. Correct answer है Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Sudhi movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Abdul Kalam Azad, Aga Khan. Correct answer Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Pakistan took stand for Rohingya Muslim in Myanmar, India, Iran, Afghanistan. Correct answer है Myanmar. When Urdu Defense Association was founded? April 1902, August 1905, August 1900, April 1900. Correct answer है August 1900. The Partnership Act was passed on 8 April 1935, 4 April 1932, 5 April 1932, 6 April 1932. Correct answer है 8 April 1932. Purpose of Indian National Congress: government jobs, political dialogue, remove poverty, all of these. Correct answer है all of these. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the architect of Nagpur Session, Siemens Commission, Lucknow Pact, Shimla Deputation. Correct answer है Lucknow Pact. Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir ruled the subcontinent from 1754 से 1759, 1658 से 1707, 1525 से 1530, none. इनमें से करेक्ट आंसर है 1658 से 1707 तक. Persian was the official language of Sindh during Sumra period, Sama period, Arghun period, all of these periods. Correct answer है Arghun period. How many provinces won by Indian National Congress in 1937 provincial election? 6, 8, 10, 12. Correct answer है 8. On Pakistan declared war on India and India attacked West Pakistan at several points including the city of Lahore. 1st September 1965, 2nd September 1965, 5 September 1965, 6 September 1965. Correct answer है 6 September 1965. On which date Indian troops moved into East Pakistan and began to advance toward Dhaka? 16 November 1971, 16 December 1971, 18 November 1971, 1st December 1971. Correct answer है 16 November 1971. The war of 1971 between India and Pakistan lasted for how many days? 12, 13, 14 or 15. Correct answer है 13. मोहम्मदन एग्लो ओरिएंटल कॉलेज कब कायम हुआ? 1956 में, 1957 में, 1975, 1920. करेक्ट आंसर है 1975. Tipu Sultan wrote a letter to which government to help him against British army rule in India? Germany, France, UK, USA. Correct answer है फ्रांस. शाह वलीउल्लाह का इंतकाल कब हुआ? 1756, 1762, 1765, 1769. करेक्ट आंसर 1762. आखिरी गोल मेज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस कब हुई? 1930, 1931, 1932. इनमें से कोई नहीं. करेक्ट आंसर है 1932. हिंदूज रिसेंटमेंट टूवर्ड द उर्दू लैंग्वेज एंड मुस्लिम एजुकेशन लेड लॉर्ड कर्जन टू एस्टैब्लिश educational and research institution for Muslim, the anti-Muslim movement and the partition of Bengal. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to establish educational and research institution for Muslims. None of these. Correct answer है Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to establish educational and research institution for Muslims. नज़रिया पाकिस्तान किसने पेश किया? कायदे आज़म चौधरी रहमत अली, सरदार अब्दुल रब निश्तर, अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल. करेक्ट आंसर है अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल. When was Muzaffarabad made capital of आज़ाद जम्मू कश्मीर? In 1944, 1946, 1945, 1947. करेक्ट आंसर है 1947. अल्लामा इकबाल supported शाफी लीग, कांग्रेस, खाकसर मूवमेंट. नन. करेक्ट आंसर है शाफी लीग. विच डिमांड वाज गिव अवे बाय कायदे आज़म ड्यू टू दिल्ली प्रपोजल? सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट, 14 पॉइंट, क्विट इंडिया. नन. करेक्ट आंसर है सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट. When Qaid-e Azam was become a presidency magistrate in 1899, 1900, 1947, 1930. Correct answer है 1900. किसने 1107 में यूरोप के मुत्तहदा अफवाज को शिकस्त देकर बैतुल मुक़द्दस को आज़ाद करवा लिया? सुल्तान सलाहुद्दीन, सुल्तान महमूद गजनी, सुल्तान मोहम्मद फ़ातेह तमाम. करेक्ट आंसर है सुल्तान सलाहुद्दीन. इन विच ईयर अलीगढ़ ट्रस्टीशिप बिल वाज पास्ड? 1886, 1888, 1887, 1889. करेक्ट आंसर है 1889. Who was the first president of India after independence? Indian national, Gandhi, Lord Mountbatten, Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer है Rajendra Prasad. The word Pakistan first coined by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Qaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal. All of these. Correct answer है Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. In Pakistan, in England, in English was made the medium of instruction in subcontinent. 1813, 1831, 1835, 1836. Correct answer है 1835. आज ये वीडियो ख़त्म हुई। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई तो इसे लाइक करना और शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा और कमेंट लाजमी कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।